Kino yalam jagseng bhalang ti bagan thap Garo Students Union ka FKJGP ka Association for Democracy and Empowerment bat ka nangri mingin acik dol kila IT ke dor khas bakar pa di ulat kejela bentuklar bat ajing menjur hakaban penlongkong san ya ka sernat schedule tribe ka jingi shimbentai election chaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council habakar pa dru ban penkala ya kapara 12A janga 6th schedule hagriti sen syarri. Habis kena bikin pathai kubor hadin ke jengwan ikendo iulat ke jela Presiden ke Garo Students Union uteng sak ji momen uli tu bakile kendo iulat menekran ban pelongkong san ya ke jingdan ya ke sernot schedule tribe ke jing Thep vote bat Iakhun yak election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ulang baga Garo Students Union kelekran ru ya ke jing pekelano ya ke rule sispa arpopra da ke bapendrong ya ke kentian Indigenous Scheduled Tribe of Garo Hills bat ban penkela ya kapara 12A janga 6th schedule. Kaban bo do pot ke sarkar jela ban bataj phang ki rule ha ke district council. Utang sak uloang ba ke jing ailat gibril go na bar ke jela bagen Thep vote mene kun ya ki election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kelong persya ke jing temu janga 6th schedule. Baniada ke jing long kerpang ki Riewlum ke riti gedostor bat ya kala riti jongki. Ulang bakile keren ru halor ban penkelano ya kapara 12A janga 6th schedule keriti sin syari baru ulang bo ulat ke jela ulas ashkor bhai ke jingpun snow jengki baru ulai jingmut bala delong kan bhaban pen terekam ya ke special intensive revision SIR mentalakam ya ke jingi orang kinang Thep vote kibam degi trai muluk.
We are so thankful to the Honorable Governor who has ultimately approved the amendment passed by the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council relating to the Rule 8. The Rule 8, where ultimately it was replaced by the word only children. Okay? Only children. Then today, the Honorable Governor has approved it, and now the amendment is in place. Then the next step from here is, again, we are working out how to revisit the electoral rule, because the electoral rule again has to be also revisited in this particular case. So now I think tomorrow I'll have again a detailed meeting, and ultimately necessary instruction will be given to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. No, for Garo Hills, because in Khasi and Jaintia we have electoral of only tribal voters. So now, since this amendment is taken place, we have to also be made applicable the practices done by Khasi and Jaintia. Very soon, we are going to write a letter from the government side to both the this council. One is Khasi and Jaintia Autonomous Council. We will write a letter to them that they should also amend the very same clause 8 of the AD rules and send to the Honorable Governor for approval.